The links. Outtake. I've got 2 chicken. No, I haven't got chicken. They're dark. I've got. Which are cold, which is really nice. Cold peas. I sat too long. I'm gonna oh shit. I'm gonna do that. We're gonna go 0 minutes. Are we? I don't know what I'm doing. Is 0 minutes gonna be enough? Let's open that up, shall we? Oh, I can. Jesus Christ. Ugh, I can't get in it. Oh my goodness. Oh. I've got a beef stock. Whoops. So I want around 1/3 of an onion. Oh my goodness. This is one hell of a great salad. Better not say that actually. Now we're going to be cooking the elements of the banoffee using the Ninja Foodi, but this tin is actually 22 inches. But this tin is actually 22 centimetres. And then last thing is a beef stock pot. As a dump bag, that is ready. So that is my sausage and baked bean casserole. That is everything you're going to need in there to make this dish. And I'm going to go and get that in the freezer. Help us if I put the sausages in, didn't it? We need the sausages. Nearly forgot them, didn't I? And I've got a sprig of thyme. Of course, if you've not got fresh thyme, you can use some dried. I can remove the rack. Talk about winging it. I had no idea if they'd be cooked or not. Oh, excuse me. So let's start off by getting our packet of hobnobs in my blitzer here. We just want to make breadcrumbs. No, we don't want to make breadcrumbs. A tablespoon. Whoops. I've also got enough butternuts. I've also got enough butter. Oh God. I've also got enough butterscotch. Jeez. We've got a nice amount of colour. So I'm tipping in my. Whoop. So the website is www.susannaskitchen.uk. Right, so let's get into today's recipe. Let's go and grab the ingredients. And that's my husband in the background, in the way.